Redneck.
What up, guys? I'm Matthew Vick with Sonoma Strong Hauling.
And I'm Stephen School with Integrity Handyman Service. And no, I'm not hiding behind this plant. Making sure it gets all the way on top and crushes the load down.
So we're out here in Occidental, guys. We got about 3 full to 4 full loads. And we're getting it done, guys. So stay tuned. So tip of the day, always have one battery charging at your house. So if your dump trailer battery goes bad on you when you guys are at the dumps, you got one you got to switch out so you guys ain't losing time or losing money. So we're almost done with the first load. I got the Redneck over here.
Stephen with Integrity Handyman Services, good morning.
Good morning. And we're getting it done, guys. Here's a pile right here, one of them. And yeah, like I said, always have 2 batteries, guys. Because one time I was at the dumps and my battery went out and I had to undo everything by hand. And it was a big job, it was a pain in the ass. So make sure you always got a battery charged at the house so you switch them out.
And when you pick up a pile, make sure that you bring a rake because you don't want to leave this. This is not a picked up pile.
And always want to make the customers happy as possible, guys. And we're out here in Occidental. We're just getting it done. Almost got 1 full load. It'll be probably 3 to 4 loads.
Some days we work hard. We're not always casting out.
And that's very true. Like yesterday we went fishing. Today we're raking and throwing piles of debris in the dump trailer. And another thing, don't mix your dump piles. Throw all the green waste in one trailer, all your garbage and other stuff in another trailer, and just get it done, guys. That's how you save money at the dumps. And 2 tools that you guys want to bring when you guys are doing green waste.
And a good worker.
Yeah, bring a good worker, bring a pitchfork, bring a rake, and always bring a Redneck with you. You guys will be good.
Redneck. Well, the boys around here don't listen to the Beatles run. Old Bo Cephas threw a jukebox needle at the honky tonk where their boots stomp.
So what do?
You find a bush when nobody's looking. I gotta pee. No.
And whenever Home Advisor calls you guys up, just say I'm busy right now and then hang up. And they will call back about 3 to 4 more times.
You don't need to purchase leads, guys. That's a joke. Everybody wants a little piece of your business.
And that's very true, guys. You guys can do it all organic. We're out here just killing it in Sonoma County, guys. So ain't no need to get paid for no leads.
Or clicks.
Or clicks, guys.
I can sit there and click, 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 and you're paying me.
Exactly. So we're out here in Guerneville, California at the dumps. And another tip, guys, what you want to do is whenever you guys are in the boondocks like this, make sure you guys always GPS the area and don't take it off of there, because sometimes you get no zone service, no phone service areas. And if you're not GPSed in, you're screwed until you guys find some service somewhere. Especially out here, there ain't no phone service nowhere.
Nope.
So yeah, we always stay prepared. Prediction of the dump fee.
$90.
I'm gonna say $70. See what happens, guys. So the damn Redneck won again. I owe him sushi now. How's it feel?
Great.
Can't bring a Redneck nowhere.
Huh?
Pretty professional,
Like
dude.
that. You love that.
A little bow and arrow. Little redneck tool.
I didn't fasten that either. That was already in the pile.
All right, load 2 is done. It's all full. It's lunchtime. If they want to keep bringing stuff, we'll keep loading it because we like that money. So it's lunchtime. We're getting out of here. It's 10:38. We did 2 loads already. And the redneck, look at the redneck. He's hungry.
I'm hungry.
He's hungry. So we're gonna go get some lunch, guys. So stay tuned. Lunchtime. Lunchtime, y'all.
Lunchtime.
Lunchy. We're gonna get a sandwich to get on the road, guys. We don't like taking lunch breaks, so don't tell OSHA on us. This guy right here. How you? Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, you want to just follow me up there and take a ride with me? It's like a mile from here. I got just a shitload of stuff that would fit perfectly.
You want to snap a picture and send it to me? And I can give you a price? Or you want to
It'd be better to look at it.
look at it?
You'd have to,
Now, that's how you guys get business. See that we're walking for lunch and the guy pulled over, wanted to get a bid, wants to go do a job right now. But you know what? We're booked today. But we'll make it happen.
Oh, no, we're not.
We'll make it happen. We'll squeeze him in.
We'll squeeze him in.
We'll squeeze him in, guys. All because we got decals. That's the reason why he stopped us. Oh yeah, getting money. We still at it, guys. And look at it. We're over here again. My favorite place in the world. Prediction of the dump fee. I'm gonna say 153.
149. And this is for $100.
We'll see what happens, guys, if he wins $100 bucks or not.
No,
100 bucks?
fuck
Let's
no.
do it.
If I lose, I ain't gonna do $100.
Let's do it. Prediction, I said 153. He said 140 what?
149.
For $100 bucks, guys. See what happens. We already shook on it. We're betting.
Shake on shit.
Yeah, we did. Gentleman shake. See what happens, guys. The damn redneck won again. Round number 3, guys. Getting it done. Getting it done. Got the redneck over here already working. It's a pretty tight squeeze back here, guys, but we're getting it done. Getting it done. So there's one more pile, guys, over here. We're gonna get done. Besides the one way over here. So we're on load 3 right now. Getting it done. So another thing, guys, we went over here to bid this job while we're doing the other job, and there ain't no way we can get this dump trailer in there. He said we can reverse it all the way up, but we're not gonna take the chance of doing that because there ain't nowhere to turn around. It's either up that road or up this road, and I've done a job over here before, and it's pretty narrow, especially with this dump trailer. The little guy, yeah. What do you think, School?
Forget that.
Yeah, we ain't gonna take no chances, guys, so I'll give him a call, and if you want to send some pictures, what we'll do is we'll Google Earth it and check it out from the air view. But yeah, I already know we can't get the dump trailer in there. There ain't nowhere to turn around, so.
That's why I didn't want to send you pictures.
So always be aware of that, guys. Not every job's for you. You gotta pass on some of them or bring a little vehicle in there. You can't do it with big vehicles. Ain't no way. So we're off to the dumps for round number 3. Prediction of the dump fee.
This is gonna be hard, guys. Just so you know, I already won all you can eat sushi, which is $20, and then I won $100 cash, tax-free on the last go-round. That's a day's pay at my old job. Anyway, prediction of dump fee, I think
I'm gonna say 95.
I'm gonna say I'm gonna say 89.
95 and 89. Let's see if the redneck will pull it off again. What we betting on this time? The Mustang?
All right.
No, I'm just playing. What we gonna bet?
This one will be for free. I feel kind of bad. My buddy's from.
Let's see if I can win my $100 back. Let's bet another $100.
$80.
I want to win my whole money back. Let's bet 100.
All right.
All right, $100 bet, guys.
Double or nothing.
Double or nothing. See what happens. So I'm sad to say, I don't want to admit it, but the redneck won 3 times in a row.
$200 cash money and sushi for $20 all you can eat. That's the best win ever. Matt's probably not going to hire me again, but
No, I'm not going to. Definitely. You guys are never going to see the redneck ever again.
that's all right. I'll be eating good for a day.
Yeah. 4.
We're gonna rake until there ain't no more piles.
Oh, right till ain't no more piles, guys. Getting it done. This little pile, and there's one more little pile, guys. We're getting it done.
Should be almost done, sir. Safety first.
Safety first.
Don't scratch anybody with this stuff. This stuff could hurt.
Stuff to scratch you guys up really bad. Last pile, load number 4, guys. Getting it done.
And always try and, I'm gonna sell this to a customer.
Are you gonna sell to Dave?
Oh, Dave.
Some gems.
Be sure to hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll be back to you with more videos soon. Have a nice day. America.
America.